I'm going to show you how to pronounce the spells in YAPYAP. So the first thing you can do is open up this website right here for the spell names. You can go to yapyapgame.com/spells, or I'm going to put the link in the description below. And for the wand, which is the wand of wind, you have these 3 spells. You can read about their effects and the tips. For example, aerobis and updog and tempest. You should also have 3 other spells for this second wand, and for the third wand and the fourth and the fifth. It's 5 types of wands. Each one have 3 spells, except the last one has only 2. And the good thing about this website is you can practice them here to see the effectiveness of your voice commands, and if you're pronouncing them clearly. You can simply allow your microphone through the website here from the site settings by going to the microphone permissions and click on allow, and then you want to click on start mic test. You can allow it again from here, and that should detect your input. And now once you are in game, you want to open up the settings and then go to the audio tab. From here, make sure you select your microphone if you want to use mic-based spellcasting, and then you can enable push to talk and set a button for push to talk, or you can disable it so that your mic is always transmitting voice. And once you're done, you can go back and equip the specific wand that you want to use, and just simply grab the list of names from here and practice saying them in the game, and that should cast the spells. That's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you on the next one.